This is Ian, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to block an advertisement from Twitter. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is the desktop browser version of Twitter. Doesn't matter what browser you're using, but you have to be logged in. And let's say that I'm scrolling through my feed and I see this advertisement from Amazon Business and I'm really tired of seeing it because it's always showing up. There's two ways that you can get rid of the advertisement forever. The first way, click on the More options icon. It looks like three little dots. Click on that and then just select Not Interested in this ad. And it says, thanks, Twitter will use this to make your timeline better. However, there's a better way to deal with this. And what I actually do is I just block the account, because usually it's not just one ad that's clogging up my feed. It's the company is constantly spamming me in my Twitter feed, and I just get tired of it. I just block the account. So do the same thing. Click on the More Actions icon and then just click Block Amazon Business. They will not be able to follow you or view your tweets, and you will not see tweets or notifications from Amazon Business. And that's fine with me because I don't want to have any direct interaction with this particular Twitter account. And actually, if I do want to contact Amazon Business, I can do that through their website if it really comes to that. But I'm just going to block this account and it's gone. I'll never, ever see it again. If you suddenly change your mind, you can unblock it by clicking that little link. But I think I'm done with Amazon Business, and that's how I deal with Twitter advertisements that are just always getting in my face. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Also, if this video helped you out and you'd like to see more like it, just like the video and follow me on YouTube, and you'll see lots more videos, usually about 2 every week. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you.